Today, we will discover how to spot setups quickly. We will be observing the price action in detail for momentum trading. Furthermore, we will improve our trading skills to achieve pro trader level. If you're ready, let's go. Let's talk about the recent price action in the Bitcoin and diverse crazy and very nice moves that can be learned and improve our trading and price action skills. First of all, I want you to carefully look at the swing failure pattern at top. And I want you to look how strongly it's rejected. An insane rejection candle, a very big wick. And then straight break down to the other side. This shows a really big weakness in buyers and possible high rejection in the sellers. Then what happens? Price creates this imbalance that makes a pushback. And then from that pushback imbalance, it creates the next set of break. So what proves to us there is a history here? A history, a pattern, a usable, multiple times usable price action for us. You may question, what do I mean by this? I mean, this is actually a very simple idea. A swing failure pattern first, and then a strong break to the other side. After that, a small pullback to an imbalance, then a push from that imbalance, which causes the next break. So you see, this is actually a pattern. So what do I expect next to happen? Exactly the same pattern, because trading is all about historical data and patterns. We waited for another break and another pullback to imbalance, then we expect the crash. If you look at the real chart on the right carefully, you will see after the second break and then a large imbalance, price pushes back, and then the big crash actually follows. As you can see, what we do is just read the history and we wait for it to repeat. But is this enough for trading? For a single time frame, maybe, but not all the time. This is why I keep encouraging people to use this special indicator called ICT, high time frame candles. In this way, with this indicator, first of all, we can check out multiple time frames. This is really important. In especially high time frames to support very nice entry points, seeing large imbalances into our trend direction. Small pullbacks and taps are really important. But we have other important things as well. You can support the idea, this pattern, by looking at simple things. For example, a simple swing failure pattern or a support and resistance Phillips, the SR Phillips lines. So these additional patterns give you more boost in the confidence. Okay, you now identified an entry point, as you can see. Then what you are going to do next? As I always say, you can use a single time frame, it is okay. But it is much better to combine higher and lower time frames for higher win rates. Right now, I dropped to the 1 minute time frame to find a very specific entry. This is the point of the high time frame location with multiple imbalances and multiple swing failure patterns. You can see how cleanly things are before I do anything else, right? So what happens here? After the multi-imbalance and multi-swing failure pattern from the higher time frames, the inner trend in the lower time frame strongly broken downwards with a nice break. It followed by this nice large imbalance and the optimal trade entry area. So at the end, in the lower time frame, we confirmed inner break, inner imbalance, discount zone, and the optimal trade entry, the OTE area. Now this way we can take trades better, combining high and lower time frames. Here is the first example. After the pullback, you saw the price is crashing to the second time, and you make your entry. However, you need to be compact as much as possible, probably setting 1.5 hour or maximum 2 hour targets. Do not get greedy, never. And the stop loss and the targets also should be based on the time frame you use. In this case, 1 minute time frame, not lower, not higher time frames. And if you miss the trade, best thing you can do is to wait for the next break. The first break of structure, jumping to trade with this first break of structure after the MSP, then follow the crash. But you need to give a considerable amount of stop loss and accept the target is much less than normal possible. So you can see combining higher and lower time frames gives you true edge. Of course, you can use only high time frames, no problem, but you need to consider your risks very smartly. Okay friends, this was a good educational video. See you next time and please take care and have a great day. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.